Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video is on the best 3D printers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5. FlashForge 3D Printer AD5M. The FlashForge AD5M 3D printer pushes the boundaries of speed and precision with its advanced Core XY structure, enabling ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 mm per second and acceleration rates of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2. This high-performance machine is ideal for rapid prototyping, fast iterations, and high-volume production, meeting the demands of makers, engineers, educators, and small-scale print farms. The printer's one-click auto-leveling system uses a sensitive pressure sensor to automatically calibrate the print bed, ensuring a flawless first layer and consistent print success every time. Featuring a high-temperature direct drive extruder capable of reaching 280 degrees Celsius, it supports a variety of filament types and nozzle sizes ranging from 0.25 mm to 0.8 mm. The quick-swap nozzle design allows for easy maintenance in just 3 seconds, while the dual cooling fans help maintain clean, detailed prints. Users can remotely monitor and control print jobs via the FlashMaker app, which provides real-time updates and parameter adjustments, enhancing workflow efficiency. Additional smart features include power loss recovery, filament runout detection, and object skipping for multi-part printing jobs. Fully open source in both hardware and firmware, the AD5M offers upgrade flexibility and an optional enclosure for better temperature control with demanding materials. Combining speed, precision, and versatility, this printer is an excellent choice for those looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Number 4. Soval SV06 3D Printer. The Soval SV06 3D printer combines a classic and reliable i3 structure with innovative design improvements, making it an excellent choice for both household and professional use. Unlike many 3D printers that rely on wheels prone to wear and replacement, this model uses a sturdy frame that enhances durability and longevity. The printer's modular design simplifies assembly, allowing users to set it up in just 5 steps. With a self-developed planetary dual-gear direct drive extruder, the SV06 delivers precise and consistent filament extrusion, aided by a large external knob for effortless feeding. The all-metal hot end supports high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, eliminating the need for PTFE tube replacements and broadening material compatibility. The 25-point automatic bed leveling system, using an inductive sensor, ensures a perfectly leveled heated bed for optimal first layers and print adhesion. The flexible PI-coated build plate features a mesh surface for easy removal of finished prints without tools. Its print volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches fits most daily printing needs. The printer is powered by a self-developed 32-bit silent mainboard equipped with TMC 2209 drivers, offering stable, quiet operation and easy firmware updates through UERT mode, ideal for users looking to customize their setup. With a solid balance of precision, ease of use, and advanced features, the Soval SV06 is a versatile, reliable 3D printer suitable for a wide range of projects. Number 3. AOSEED 3D Printer for Kids. The AOSEED XMaker Joy 3D printer is an ideal choice for kids and beginners eager to explore the world of 3D printing with ease and creativity. This compact and user-friendly printer offers effortless operation through a smart app compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows, allowing users to start printing with just one click. Voice commands add a fun and accessible dimension, making it perfect for all ages. With precision up to 0.05 mm and printing speeds reaching 200 mm per second, it delivers professional-grade quality while featuring a quick-release nozzle for smooth filament changes. The printer provides access to a vast creative library of over 1,500 digital designs, updated weekly, including 15+ theme modules that spark imagination and customization. Users can personalize the printer itself with printable decorations, making it truly unique for home use. Safety is prioritized through its fully enclosed structure, and the no leveling required platform simplifies setup, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The built-in camera allows real-time monitoring via smartphone and creates time-lapse videos to share progress. The complete kit includes 8 PLA filaments, pliers, a power cord, a calibration card, filament holder, magnetic base plate, and an easy installation guide, giving everything needed to jumpstart a creative journey. Combining speed, precision, and user-focused features, this 3D printer makes STEM learning engaging and accessible for young makers. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer is a powerful and versatile machine designed to meet the demands of both hobbyists and professionals. Its lightning-fast speed capabilities, reaching up to 500 mm per second thanks to advanced Clipper firmware, allow for rapid production without sacrificing print quality. With an impressive large build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 mm, this printer enables the creation of bigger models or multiple smaller pieces in one go, greatly expanding creative possibilities. The printer's precision is enhanced by input shaping, pressure advancing, and acceleration sensors on the X and Y axis, which work together to automatically calibrate and reduce vibration impacts, resulting in sharp, accurate prints. The self-developed dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio ensures smooth filament feeding and powerful extrusion, while the metal throat pipe and innovative air duct design minimize the risk of nozzle clogging. Equipped with a high-temperature 300 degrees Celsius nozzle featuring a 60W ceramic heating element and automatic PID calibration, the Neptune 4 Plus can handle a wide variety of filament types including PLA, PTG, ABS, TPU, and nylon. Cooling is optimized by dual-sided fans and a model blower to prevent warping and improve print quality. Connectivity options are flexible, with Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN support, making it easy to transfer files and start printing with just one click. The Neptune 4 Plus stands out as a high-speed, reliable, and user-friendly 3D printer. Number 1. Original Prusa for Malawian Kwacha's 3D Printer Kit. The original Prusa for Malawian Kwacha's 3D Printer Kit represents the latest evolution in desktop 3D printing, combining precision, reliability, and advanced technology in one beginner-friendly package. Designed for enthusiasts eager to dive into the world of DIY 3D printing, this kit invites users to assemble their own machine, making the experience both educational and rewarding. Its standout feature is the load cell sensor that ensures a flawlessly smooth first layer without any need for manual adjustments, elevating print quality and consistency. The MK4's innovative Nextruder and 32-bit connected platform offer enhanced usability, allowing for remote printing, quick swap nozzles, and a customizable user interface that simplifies operation with one-click printing. Print sheets are removable, easing the process of taking off finished prints, while the generous print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches accommodates a wide range of projects. Included with the kit is a free sample of Prusa PLA filament, allowing users to start printing right away. Built with a sturdy combination of plastic and metal, and weighing 7 kilograms, the printer strikes a balance between durability and portability. Original Prusa's commitment to customer support is evident with lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional service, ensuring users are guided through every step of their 3D printing journey. This kit is an ideal choice for those seeking a high-performance, hands-on introduction to 3D printing technology. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.